Good afternoon, Bridgewater families. This is Nancy Antoine coming at you again today, trying to keep you up to speed with what's going on and what's happening here at Bridgewater. I'd just like to tell you we've had a really good week here at Bridgewater. And also, just to point out that our students are just doing an amazing job of wearing their masks every day, maintaining their social distancing, and things like that. I know that hard work comes from you at home, and I so appreciate you taking the time to teach your kids about the necessity of wearing masks and why we have to do that to stay in person. I'm just amazed that we've been able to stay in person this long. We've come upon fall break next week, and we are still in person. But again, that's due to all of us working together. I can't thank you enough for that. We did have our school pictures last week, and I wanted to bring you up to speed on a correction. The picture retake date is November the 11th. November the 11th, and I believe that's a Wednesday. So, and I will remind you of that again in the coming up Friday updates, and keep that one up to speed as well. Speaking of Friday updates, I try to send that out every single week, trying to, again, include important dates and things that I need to communicate with you on. If you're finding that something's missing on there, just let me know. That's all you got to do. You have my email address, and that's why I send it out via my own email address. No one else writes the newsletters for me. I do my own, but I'm very open to feedback from you. I am certainly not perfect, never would claim to be. At the same time, I do try hard, and I want to make sure that you're getting the information that you want as well. Otherwise, this week is Principal Appreciation Week, and I tell you what, I look at that, and it's not about me. None of it's about me. I wouldn't have my job here if I didn't have students, and if I didn't have staff, and we didn't have families. And I give that appreciation back to the people that it belongs to. We have just an amazing group of students, staff, and families at Bridgewater, and I can't appreciate that any more than I do. That's what makes this job possible. And yes, I could go other places, but I want to stay here. We've only had two principals at Bridgewater Elementary since we opened in 1998. Mrs. Kenneberg was here from 1998 to 2007, and I've been here since 2007. So, and I'd like to stay here a few more years, but I really do enjoy working with you all. I really enjoy the mornings and the after school when I get to greet parents in cars and say goodbye and good morning to the kids as well. That's a real fun part of my day. Love being with you all. But again, if you've got something that you need to let me know, please do let me know those things, because that's what I'm here for. You are my job. You're not an interruption. You're not someone I'm not looking forward to. You are my job, and I take that job seriously. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoy this nice, beautiful weekend. And next week will be a little bit cooler, so please make sure your children are wearing either a sweatshirt or a light jacket. And put their names in those so that we can get them back to the rightful owners, because our lost and found is growing. Thanks so much, and again, enjoy your weekend. Bye-bye.